Okay guys, we're going back to the Answers Hub. Now this one's for Stuart, so a little salute to you. Let's roll the intro, see the question, and see what my thoughts are. Okay, and a warm welcome to one and all. What we're going to be doing today is answering a question on basic Forex. Now, the way I do this is, a lot of it's just for the squad, but I do put a lot public as well. And I'm a bit lazy when it comes to typing things out. So they ask a question in the Answers Hub and I'll just come to camera and I'll show it. It kind of makes a bit more sense to me. So let's flick this over and just done jacks. So there you go, son. No, you're not getting a green Lamborghini. I'll kick you straight in the bollocks because I know where you live. And you're not that far from me. Jaguars, Mercedes and Range Rovers. They're all you need. That's all I'll say on that one. Hey, Scruff. By the way, we're looking at Stuart's question now. Hey, Scruff. Thanks for everything in the squad. You're very welcome. I do my best. I saw the buyer's video update and loving the watch list edition. Yeah, made it a bit easier for you guys where you can track 3 products at once and it'll pull it into a summary. Now, also the ATR section. Now, the ATR section is there to help you understand and work out what your targets are going to be, and the system will do it for you. Now, is there any third-party sites that you use to update the ATR? No, I actually do it myself based on the chart. I haven't really come across one, but I'll show you how to do it. And for the pairs that you follow on the chart, let's have a look. Sorry, I misread that. For the pairs I follow, I use the chart and look up the ATR on a daily, but not sure if there's another way of seeing a list of Forex commodities, etc. Well, there's an easy way to do it. I'll show you that. And the other question is, how often should you update them? You certainly want to be updating them once a quarter. So that's every 3 months. But my general rule of thumb is the last weekend of any month. Because it only takes a minute to do it. So the last Sunday of the weekend, when the markets are dead, I just update them and then it's done for another month. But let me quickly show you how I would find it. Well, first of all, this is the sort of chart you see me use all the time. It's my wage account. All I would do is I will come up onto here and you've got your little search bar. You can just start typing in whatever it is you want. So if you pull up this and you're starting up here, so it's Aussie CAD. All you would do is you just go AUD and it'll just fire it up. Comes across here, set it to daily, drop on, well, we'll just switch all these indicators off so I can see what's going on. Just cancel that off. Cancel that off. Put on average true range on the daily. And then there you go. So that one's 57. I just round it up. Don't need to put the 0.4 in. I just round it up, round it down to the nearest whole number. So that's 57. If I wanted to do the next one, because I've already put the indicator on, 65. And I just work my way down like so. Dead simple. Okay. Now, where you update them really depends. I mean, it's not that difficult. So on mine, if I come to the engine and then I start pulling it through, I'll go through all my different calculations of how I actually work out strengths, etc. That's only a quarter of it, by the way, because it's right on down, so don't try and replicate it. There it is there. So I would just update that in there, and it could probably do with being updating. So in that case, I would just put 57 in. And then I'd come down to Aussie Shift and just work my way through, and I can add extra products at the bottom. This is the same as the buyer's tool that you guys have, and you just literally work your way down the list and whack it on. Now, if you've got dual screen, it's dead easy because you just have, as you can see, mine is here. I have 3 screens. I just need to pop in my spreadsheet on the left hand side, and I would just work my way down the list of products. Very quick and very easy. And that's it. It's not difficult to do. Now you flick it over onto there and you can quickly go, well, there's my US 100. That is there. It's flying at the moment. You know, Wall Street, flying. FTSE, not so much. It's died off. You know, the DAX has died off, but it's still doing 200 pips a day. You know, US 500, back in range, 80, 225. Massive. So there's loads of opportunities you can have, and it's not that difficult to work out. So all I would do is, just in summary, once a month, certainly once a quarter, update them. It doesn't take long if you use a platform like this, and just boom, 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 drop it into pips. If you use an MT5, remember it's got decimal points and you have to just take it to the round numbers on the end. And again, they'll have a full list. If it takes you half an hour, it doesn't matter. It's half an hour well spent. So hope that one helps. Catch you all in the next one.